The second big horror release of September is the sports thriller Him. Jordan Peele produced this. It's about a football player invited to train at an isolated compound where he undergoes a blood chilling journey. Now, back in spring, we did our list of most anticipated movies of the year. And I believe you had this in your top three.
Yeah.
And that was sight unseen. We hadn't seen
Yeah.
any footage, any trailers or anything. Since then, we've obviously gotten several trailers. Are you still hyped?
I am interested and I hope I'll be surprised by him. Right now, I think it just looks okay.
I don't think this looks good at all. I got to be honest with you. The only real appeal is Peele's
No.
involvement, which he produced it. So it's kind of a who cares. Marlon Wayans can be very good,
Mm, yeah.
and then the football atmosphere. But I'm going low, 47%. I don't think this looks good at all. This is a complete skip. I don't.
Yeah.
This is one of the three in September that I do not want to see.
You know what's interesting is because of Peele's involvement, I do think this is going to be his lowest rated, but because of Peele being involved, I do think that he's going to bring something I think as a producer to pull something out of this that's going to be salvageable. I think this is going to be this year's old, where it's 50% on the
Wow.
line. I think you're going to have people love it. I think you're going to have people hate it. I think it's going to, I'm not going to say be divisive, but I am expecting this to be lower. I am expecting it to be rotten.
The producing thing, I can't look at someone's whatever that reviews percentage would be for something you produce. There's too many factors that go in. Now, if he co-wrote something or he directed it, that's the
Sure.
only thing I think really we should be focusing on when it comes to Peel.
True. That's a good point that you bring up. So I may have gone way too high at 50.
I mean, it could be okay. I just don't think it looks good.
Yeah, it looks just okay.